Let's play Redactle for Friday, June 17th. This Wikipedia article has a single word title with 5 letters, and it must begin with a vowel. And no, actually, that's 6 letters there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 7 letters. So why do they put another word in front of the 5-letter word that is the article title? That's intriguing. So it's something with something else, and then the something of the something as observed in the following something. And there's some subheadings. There's a list of bullet items, a lot of withs, without, near, far, wherever you are. Very interesting. Here there is a hyphenated word with a single letter followed by 3 letters. So that usually makes me think of something scientific where there's a single letter prefix. Oh, and then again here we have the letter dash and other letter dash, and then some longer word. Under, through, between. So I'm thinking physics or mathematics. It's quite a short article, which is interesting. So let me start with my usual first word of first. No firsts today. The second sentence that begins with at something, I'm wondering if that could be at heart. No, no hearts. At base. Okay, oh, with a something base. Was not expecting that to pop up. Yeah, and then what is this word here? 9 letters, I think. In the following section, maybe? Yeah, but that's the only hit. We're not doing too well today. Guessed 4 words and have a total of 2 hits. Okay, I'm going to try physics. No. Mathematics. No. Chemistry. No, I'm going to try some letters starting with E. There's one E. So that's going to be EG. And that's the only G. I'm going to try X. Y. Z. No. B. C. D. Well, maybe the prefix single character is a number. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to go any further with that. I'm a little disappointed. What other letters might we have? We've done A through E, and we did G, so let's do F, J. Oh, I, of course, is not redacted. Sorry, is redacted. But there were none. L, M, N. Oh my goodness. So I'm having a lot of guesses with 0 hits. So my accuracy is going to be very, very low. Let's see if this section is in medicine. No. In literature? No. How about history? No, there isn't even a history section here. And more hyphenated terms. Let's try sub. That's usually good to us. Not today. Pre. Post. Oh my goodness. Well, let's look at some of my other common words. I often try if I spell out one, okay, we have 5 ones. At something one, at least one, yes, at least one, something must be present. No, I think it's shorter than present. At least one. Well, we didn't get physics, but let me just try electron. No. At least one something must be. How about 2? Maybe sometimes with 2? No. Often. And then there's one word italicized. Let's try more. 2 mores. Much more? No. Let's look at the much though. See if it's much of a muchness. No. Let me look at the often. I skipped that. Something is often used. That's usually a good word. Is used to something around something. Oh, this is interesting in the previous part here. Something be used as an to. So that looks like either a typo in the Wikipedia article, or when it was brought into Redactle, there was maybe some symbol that was left out. So what could be before might? No. Could. Can. Okay. Oh, can. Often. Oh no, I did often. Can then be used? No. Can. How many letters in this? 4. Can something be used as an to something? The bottom of a. No. I was thinking of cones and cutting slices of a cone, not an ice cream cone. A round something from the something of a. Okay, let's go back to some of these common words. I don't think I've done have or had. No hads, but let's look at our haves and have-nots. Then maybe other. Okay, not there, but further on. We have actually quite a lot of others. But let me look at my next have. Have fewer. No. Okay, let's look at our others. Other forms. Other types. Okay. Of something listed. Not listed below can be used to something. I'm going to just try some generic words, or I guess not generic, but types of areas. This could be food related. No. Could it be making. Okay, let's see. Make something something can something used to make a, and then some hyphenated phrase. And there we have that between something dash and something dash. What letters did I not try? P. Oh, okay. Can I have a P, Bob? Okay. Well, let's look at our four P's. Of the something and P, particles. No. P. No. I'm going to try analysis just for a laugh. Well, not much of a laugh, was it? What is that other letter? I'm worried it might be a Greek letter, and I don't have a Greek keyboard. Is often used to make a round hole, square peg. No, no holes. Let's try together. People, are they mentioned? Person? No. It's six it's with it's something. Let's go and look at the it's. It's a ballroom blitz. Ooh. I'm thinking divide up. No, split up. Oh, or to split. Well, we didn't have much luck with particles or electrons, but no. Or to split something. Constituent. Oh, now that's ridiculous. Up into its constituent. It's not parts. Why didn't I do parts? Well, maybe I didn't. Doesn't hurt to try it again. No, I didn't do parts. Into its constituent elements. Okay, at least one, so up at the top, at least one something must be, did I try present? Yeah, I did, must be elements with two something something. I feel it is chemical or scientific in some way. No. Science? No. As described in the following section. Okay. So we have two words in italics at the start of this subsection under types. Oh, are used. I use to something up. So we've done split, divide, oh, break, of course. We did make, so break up something into its constituent. Yeah, I think is it something natural or something man-made? Let's try man-made. No, natural. Natural isn't in it. Usually, two usuallys. And in something usually some types of whatever are had. No, I did had. Let's try new, old. How about laboratory? No. I'm just going to try butter for no real reason. No. Milk? No. Egg? No. Take? Bean? Being? One being. Being usually, oh, I did make, but not made. Made of something, something, something. How about boil? Boiling? Water? I'm completely at sea with this. Let's try soup. No, no soup for me. Um, how about degrees, as in temperature? Oh. How about product? By, oh, not producted, by product? Because if it's split up, I would think there would be a byproduct. How many letters in this adverb? 1, 9. Frequently. Oh, might help if I. No, that's going to be too long. Usually. I did usually. Useful. Same. Two sames. Same old scene. Observed. There's one observed. Did I do may? No, there we go. But not there, not before be observed. Well, let's look at our mays. May or may, well, of course, not. That's a gimme. A lot of nots, but let me keep looking at my mays. May or may not. Ooh, that's interesting. Another, and then in parentheses, comma, and. Interesting. So that's all our mays. Let's look at our observed again. Would not be observed for an extra, no, for an eon, which just seems like this video is taking. Okay, let's look at my nots. So at least one something must be, and I tried present, right? I think this is only 6 letters. Yeah, must be elements with 2. I did elements. Did I do element? No. So yeah, I should have done that right at the when I did elements. And something is a blank blank element with something. Elements with two blank blank are not. Let me try my good old valence, covalent. No. Well, let's go and look at more knots. Are not in fact, maybe? But that's the only fact. Let's try periodic. No. Let's go back to checking these knots. May or may not be something. Would not be observed for an very interesting. Did I do discovered? Presumably somebody discovered this. No. Discovery. Found. One found. The most, I think I did most. No, I didn't. The most commonly found something. Other. Let's see, I did types and forms. Kinds, did I do? No, other. Something are used to something a something of something. Within a something, and then in quotes, blank of blank. Often used to make a round. Wow, make a round. Four-letter word. It's not whole. Round rock. No, round. Oh goodness, this one is kicking my butt today. And then we're at the bottom. Okay, what other words have I not tried? Self, itself, all, none, nothing, which is very appropriate. There, okay, for theirs. Being usually made of something near something on there. Oh my goodness. So difficult. Based. So that is are based on their, and it wasn't self dash on their. We had base or acid before, so let's just try acid. No. Ring. Container. Wood. Metal. Glass. Ooh, 5 glasses. Something, something, something glass. Something. Could it be silica related? No. Silicon? No. Shape? Okay. Interesting. So the shape of this thing is important enough to come in the first paragraph. So some types of this thing are not in fact in the shape of blah blah blah. So I trying to think of shapes. Diamond, circle, square, spiral. The first word begins with a vowel. Maybe it's not a chemical element. Could it be a heating element? No, what other kind of elements can you have? Well, let's try electric, gas, solid. We did shape, maybe color. Oh, one color. Oh yeah, and I never really finished looking at all my glasses, so let's go back and do that. Being usually made of something, could it be stained glass? No. Tempered, molten. What kind of glass could this be? Are they translucent? Transparent? 3 transparents. So is a transparent. Oh, could this be like our liquid crystal display the other day? Is another kind of display? No, element with something something. Well, let's look at our other transparents. Is transparent to the something. Interesting. Let's go down. Transparent something of, e.g. can thus. No. And then this is an interesting 3, 1, 2. Oh, I never tried A, which of course is not redacted. That's why I didn't try it. Let's go down with our. Oh, those are the only 3 transparents. And again, let me go back and look at the 5 glasses. Da 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 da. In something with a. Well, let's try the obvious windows. 1 windows. Transparent windows of, e.g. Okay. Sorry, I have to keep going back to the start. This is our last, like, glass. Glass onions. I feel like we should have enough in the first paragraph to crack this glass. And how many letters letters did I say in this one? 1, 2, 3. Maybe optical. Aha! An optical something is a transparent optical element with optical. Well, let's try lens. I know that's not the word we're looking for. One lens. Oh, I think that's upside down. Okay, so this could be magnifying glass or a maybe microscope. No, magnifying. Oh, a telescope. No, because I was thinking, some viewing apparatus, the image is upside down. How about single lens? SLR, what does that stand for? Single lens reflector. Okay. How about dual, double, ducal, double, captain of her heart, double something. And let's try lenses. 3 lenses. Oh, and all in this section. That's interesting. By something lenses off Earth? No. Off axis? Oh, now that's ridiculous. As well as lenses off axis. So we're definitely doing something to do with lenses, optical equipment. An optical, is it some form of like eyepiece? No, let's look at our eye. Keep an eye on it. Eye. Seeing, accomplished, managed. No. So I need some kind of optics. Well, let's try optics. 3 of those. Not very helpful. There's one then down in the sources. Let's try vision, double vision. Okay. Let's try cataracts. 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 No. Let's try focal, focus. No. An optical something is a transparent optical element with blank and optical. And this is 5 letters. Well, let me try and think of the, I was going to say parts of a camera, but let's try camera itself. No, funnily enough, not used. Did I do light itself? Because that's going to be important. Aha. Can be used to break down? No, can be used to break something something can be used to break light up into its constituent. Let's try spectrum, spectra, colors. I did color singular. Oh, there we go. Into its constituent something colors. Oh, the colors of the rainbow? Yes, as described in the following section. Oh, well, then is it, as seen on Dark Side of the Moon, a prism? There we go. My goodness, that took me a long time. I'm sure many viewers will have got that before I did. An optical prism is a transparent optical element with flat polished surfaces designed to refract light. At least one surface must be angled, and if they're two parallel surfaces, of course, they're not prisms. I wonder if I can find the section where it had what seemed to be a missing word. It's a short enough article, I should be able to find that. Oh, here's the an other, comma, and. That doesn't make sense to me. No, I'm not sure I'm going to find that section where. Oh, here it is. Anamorphic pair can also be used as an something to change the profile of a beam. So looks like we found a typo there. Let's go up to the top. I have to refresh to try and get my statistics. Took me 191 guesses. There we go. The global average was 103. Well, that doesn't make me feel so bad then if it did take over 100. So this was maybe tougher than usual. However, I'm nearly double the global average, so not a moment of shining glory for me. But anyway, got there in the end. That was Redactle number 72. Thanks as always for watching.